Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure OCI course. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about MySQL Database Service offered by Oracle Cloud. So let us understand what that MySQL DB service is, which is known as MDS. So MySQL Database Service is fully managed OCI native service developed and completely managed and supported by the dedicated MySQL team in Oracle. Oracle automates tasks such as backup and recovery and database and operating system patching. Customers are only responsible solely for managing the data, schema design, and access their policy. So it is fully managed service running on OCI Gen 2 infrastructure that allows us to quickly provision the MySQL instance from the OCI console. There's a service in OCI. Go there and start provisioning it. So you don't need to download the MySQL, install it on virtual machine. No, you simply go there and then install it from the OCI console to the designer. It automates database specific tasks such as configuration, security patching, backups, high availability, and monitoring, which reduces the administrator tasks. You can choose from multiple compute shapes depending on your application and capacity requirement. If you want a two OCPU based machine, 30 GB memory, you simply go ahead and then use that compute shape and your MySQL service will be deployed on that. And as and when you require, you can change the compute shape and you will have more resources available. It monitors the health of your resources, optimize the performance of your application, and respond to anomalies in real time. So it free up time of developers, database administrators, and DevOps, and only allows them to focus on the task which they actually need to perform, which will actually add on to their business. So this is your MySQL DB service. So now I would like to talk about some key features that MDS offers. So when you provision the MySQL database service, it has three different options. One is standalone. So bad, there was a typo. So the first option is standalone, which is your single instance DB, and basically it is for your dev and test environment. So if you're provisioning MySQL DB, you can use this feature, and it is a single instance DB, meaning when you choose this option, only single DB will be deployed. Single instance of MySQL will be deployed on the compute. The second is high availability, which is one of the key features of MySQL DB. It runs a DB system with three MySQL instances across three availability domain and three fault domains. So when you use this feature, so the system, your MySQL DB will be highly available. It will increase the uptime without any data load. So when you use this option, three instances of MySQL DB will be provisioned across all these three ADs and all three FDs. And all these three instances are connected. If any one of the instance is down, the application will be connected to the other instances available and will provide that access of the application, and all are connected with a single common endpoint, which will send the request on the three MySQL instances in some fashion. The third option, the heat wave, which is one of the key advantage and Oracle unique feature. It is suitable for running both OLTP and OLAP workload. So basically, DB system that allows you to enable heat wave for accelerated query processing, suitable for running both OLTP and OLAP workload. So one MySQL database service for transactions, analytics, and machine learning. Real-time, secure analytics without the complexity, latency, and cost of extract, transform, and load ETL duplication. So it is one of the fully managed database service powered by the integrated heat wave in memory Query Accelerator. It is the only cloud database service that combines transaction analytics and machine learning services into one MySQL database, delivers real-time secure analytics without the complexity, latency, and cost of ETL duplication. So that's all about this MySQL database service. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.